Hi everybody! This is a lightning port adapter that I picked up from my iPad on Amazon for about $35. Let's take a look at the outside of the box real quick. And let's open it up and see what comes inside. And this port adapter has two USBs, an HDMI, and a microphone port. And on the other side, it has a lightning adapter for plugging in power. And then of course, it has the lightning connector that hooks up to the iPhone or the iPad. So there you have it. Lightning port hub adapter for an iPad from Amazon. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.